ഓപ്പോസിറ്റ് ആണ്. അതെ പിടിച്ചോ, ഓരോരുത്തർക്ക് കൊടുക്കാനാണ്. ഓക്കെ. All set. We have to go to the car, but first you have to do some gestures. Okay. Nice. Hi, uncle. All okay now? Where's Hi. Hi, Pihu, right? Wow. All good?
Yeah.
Oh, namaste. Oh, I forgot to give only, sir. I forgot to give it to you only. Oh, you got a rose. Okay, thank you. No. Ready? All set? Okay. That's my father, his younger brother. These are my cousins. Sanjay, Rachu. These are my cousins. This is Rachu, this is Sanju. That's Punnu. All nicknames. Right. That's Anan. She studied at college. All set.
साज तू तेरा तर्ज में, तू है दवा और मर्ज में, दिलदार तू खुद गर्ज में है गीत, तू तेरे लफ्ज में, तू है दुआ और फर्ज में, आजाद तू और कर्ज में है शाम, तू तारीफ में, तू चैन है तकलीफ में, तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में, है ख्वाब तू ताबीर में, माना तुझे तकदीर में, तेरा हुआ इस भीड़ में, इस भीड़ में है तेरी मेहरबानी के अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए, है तेरी मेहरबानी के बिन जाने यूं सवर गए। है साज तू तेरा तर्ज में, तू है दवा और मर्ज में, दिलदार तू खुद गर्ज में है गीत, तू तेरे लफ्ज में, तू है दुआ और फर्ज में, आजाद तू और कर्ज में है शाम, तू तारीफ में, तू चैन है तकलीफ में, तुझसे मिला तो पा लिया हर चीज में, है ख्वाब तू ताबीर में, माना तुझे तकदीर में, तेरा हुआ इस भीड़ में, इस भीड़ में है तेरी मेहरबानी के अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए, है तेरी मेहरबानी है तू ही तो है बेवफा, तू बारिश मेरी सवेरा मेरा, मैं तेरा हम रास्ता, है कश्ती तेरी किनारा मेरा। है तू ही तो है बेवफा, तू बारिश मेरी सवेरा मेरा, मैं तेरा हम रास्ता, है कश्ती तेरी किनारा मेरा। है तेरी मेहरबानी कि अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए। है तेरी मेहरबानी कि बिन जाने ही यूं सवर गए। है तेरी मेहरबानी कि अंधेरों से हम मुकर गए। है तेरी मेहरबानी कि बिन जाने ही यूं सवर गए।
தேசங்கள் தாண்டி என்னை ஈர்க்கிறாய், உன் கண்ணின் பார்வையில் குடை சாய்க்கிறாய். விரல் தீண்டும் போது பெண்ணே உயிர் காக்கிறாய். பார்க்கும் தேவ விழியாலே பேசும் ஆசை மொழியே, வா என் கூட துணையே காதலே. போகும் தூரம் வரையும் நான் உந்தன் காட்சிதானே.
and goddess Parvati and symbolizes devotion, marital harmony, and feminine grace. So now they're going to perform that.
തമ്പുരാനും വിണ്ണിൽ നിറഞ്ഞ ഭഗവതിക്കും മംഗല്യാതിര പൂജ ചെയ്യുവാൻ ഞങ്ങളെ എന്നും തുണച്ചിടണം. ധനുമാസപ്പാലാഴി തിരതുള്ളും പൂത്തിരുവാതിരയിൽ പാട്ടിലലിയും മാടിയുലയും പാതിരാവിനുലഹരി. ധനുമാസപ്പാലാഴി തിരതുള്ളും പൂത്തിരുവാതിരയിൽ പാട്ടിലലിയും ആടിയുലയും പാതിരാവിനുലഹരി. മനസ്സു നിറയെ പനിനീർ കുളിരും മണവുമണിയും മറുനാടൻ പെണ്ണേ, മറുനാടൻ മലയാളി പെണ്ണേ. ആമന്ദം ഇളകി നിന്നിൽ ഹേമന്ത സ്വപ്നതരംഗം. മനസ്സു നിറയെ പനിനീർ കുളിരും മണവുമണിയും മറുനാടൻ പെണ്ണേ, മറുനാടൻ മലയാളി പെണ്ണേ. ആമന്ദം ഇളകി നിന്നിൽ ഹേമന്ത സ്വപ്നതരംഗം. മുങ്ങിത്തുടിച്ചു കുളിച്ചൊരുങ്ങി മുപ്പാരുടയോനെ കൈവണങ്ങി. മുങ്ങിത്തുടിച്ചു കുളിച്ചൊരുങ്ങി മുപ്പാരുടയോനെ കൈവണങ്ങി. ആടകൾ ചൂടി മുടി മുഴം പൂകൊണ്ടു മൂടി പാണികളിൽ കങ്കണം ചാർത്തി ജലാടകൾ കെട്ടി നിളകുമ്പോൾ മഞ്ഞക്കര ചുറ്റി മങ്കമർ പുനനിരന്നിടണം. മങ്കമർ പുനനിരന്നിടണം. മങ്കമർ പുനനിരന്നിടണം. जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला. जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला. तरसाए, ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए, नीले नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए।
ये उपजा है और पिया है और पिया है और पिया है और पिया।
ಅಗನಗ ಅಗನಗ ಮುಗನಗ ಏ ಓ ಮುಗನಗ ಮುಗನಗ ಮುರುನಗ ಏ ಓ ಮುರುನಗ ಮುರುನಗ ತರುನಗ ಏ ಓ ತರುನಗ ತರುನಗ ವರುನನ ಏ ಯಾರದು ಯಾರದು புன்னகை கோர்ப்பது யாவிலும் யாவிலும் என் மனம் சேர்ப்பது நடை பழகிடும் தொலை அருவிகளே முகில் கொடித்திடும் மலை முகடுகளே கொடை பிடித்திடும் நெடுமரச் செறிவே பனியுதிர்த்திடும் சிறு மலர் துளியே அழகிய புலமே உரதில மகிழ்நா வளவனின் நிலமே எனதரசியும் நீ வளநில சிரிப்பே எனது இரடியோ உனதிலம் வரப்பே எனக்கினிதடியோ உனை நினைக்கையிலே மனம் சிலிர்த்திடுதே உன் வழி நடந்தால் உயிர் மலர்ந்திடுதே உன் மடி கிடந்தால் தவி தவிக்கிறதே நினைவழிந்திடுதே அகநக அகநக முகநக ஏ ஓ முகநக முகநக முருநக ஏ ஓ முருநக முருநக தருநக ஏ ஓ தருநக தருநக வருநக ஏ யாரது సదా నన్ను నడిపే నీ చెలిమే పూదారై నిలిచే ప్రతి మలుపు ఇకపై స్వాగతమై నా పేరే పిలిచే ఇదే కోరుకున్నా ఇదే కోరుకున్నా అని నేడే తెలిసే కాలం నతించదానితో జతై ప్రాణం సుమించదాని కోసమై కాలం నతించదానితో జతై నదికి వరదల్లే మదికి పరవళ్ళే వెరుపు ఎప్పుడు వదిలిందో చురుకు ఎప్పుడు పెరిగిందో తలపు తొలి సల్లే కనుము హరిమెల్లే వయసు ఎప్పుడు కదిలిందో సొగసు ఎప్పుడు మెరిసిందో గమనించేలోగా గమకించే రాగాన ఏదో వీణా మోన మోయన కాలం నతించదానితో జతై ప్రాణం సుమించదాని కోసమై కాలం నతించదానితో జతై
हमेशा इश्क मेरी जीना
ദീപം ജ്വലിക്ക കോലം എഴുതി മംഗളവാഴ്ത്ത് சேர்ந்து வர சுமங்கலி மாதராரத்தி எடுக்க மனவரை காணும் சுபதினமே வாழை தோரணம் மாலை அசைய சந்தன வாசம் கூடி வர மாலை மஞ்சள் மந்திர ஒலியில் கண்ணுக்கு நிறைஞ்ச கல்யாணம்
உன் வாட்டடங்கள் என்னை வாட்டுதடி, உன் வளைவுகளோ என்னை வளைக்குதடி. என் வாழ்க்கையில் தேவை தீபாய்வை. கண்கள் பார்த்தேன் கவியானே, இன்னும் பார்த்தால் எங்கே போவேன். உன்னாலே கம்பன் தாண்டுவேன், உன் இதழ் மேலே எழுதுவேன். ஏ மான் பொறு மங்கையே நில்லாயோ, செம்மாதுளைவாய் மொழி சொல்லாயோ. ஏ மான் பொறு மங்கையே நில்லாயோ, செம்மாதுளைவாய் மொழி சொல்லாயோ. ஏ மான் பொறு மங்கையே, ஏ மான் பொறு மங்கையே, ஆ மான் பொறு மங்கையே. दो चार महीने से लम्हों में, दो चार महीने से लम्हों में उम्रों के हिसाब भी होते हैं. कभी जागो मेरी आँखें, कभी जागो मेरी आँखें, सुनाए एक दास्तां जो होठों से घोलो ना. ए ए हैरते आशिकी जगह मत, पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगा मत. ए हैरते आशिकी जगह मत, पैरों से ज़मीं ज़मीं लगा मत. ए हैरते आशिकी, ए हैरते आशिकी, हो हैरते आशिकी.
கண்கள் சொந்தம் சொல்ல, தூதன தூதன கண்கள் சொந்தம் சொல்ல, இதயத்தின் மொழியா இப்போது எழுதுங்கள் பல்லவியை. இப்போது எழுதுங்கள்
तेरे पिछे हारिया मैं तां तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया मैं तां जिंद मेरी तेरे पिछे हारिया मैं तां तेरे उत्तों जान बैठी वारिया
मैं तां तेरे नाल सच्ची लाई यारी वे मैनू चढ़े तेरी इश्क खुमारी वे मेरे दिल दा इको सुपना तेनू अपनी बना के मैं तां ले जाना चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया
तेरे नाल जीने मरने दी तैयारी है तेरे नाम कीती जिंदगी मैं सारी है तेरे नाल जीने मरने दी तैयारी है तेरे नाम कीती जिंदगी मैं सारी है
मैं तां तेरे लिए छड्डी दुनिया सारी वे मैं तां सोच लिया तू मेरी सारी वे
मैं रब कोलों हो मंगदी तू डोली च बिठा के मैनू ले जावे
चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया चल भी गवा तारे गवा मैं अपना तेनू मनिया
So first I'm inviting Akshit's side of family. First of all, let me invite his father and mother, Mr. Naresh Kumar and Mrs. Jayashri Kumar onto the stage. എല്ലാവരും നല്ലൊരു കൈയടി കൊടുത്തേ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും.
Push and pull like a magnet, but my heart is falling. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room. You my bed sheets smell like you. I'm in love with your body.
Next, Akshit's brother Pradyut Kumar onto stage. Let's all put our hands together for Pradyut. എല്ലാവരും നല്ലൊരു കൈയടി കൊടുത്തേ. ഞാനിനി അടുത്തതായിട്ട് ഗംഗയുടെ സൈഡ് ഫാമിലിയാണ് ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ഓൾ ഗംഗയുടെ അച്ഛനും അമ്മയും പി ജി മേഘനാഥൻ ആൻഡ് സുമന സി ആർ ഓൺ ടു സ്റ്റേജ്. അവിടെയാണ് അച്ഛനും അമ്മയ്ക്കും എല്ലാവരും നല്ലൊരു കൈഡി കൊടുക്കേണ്ടതാണ്.
Let the stars tonight light the way, hand in hand, through light or rain. It's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful.
So first, let me invite ഗംഗയുടെ അങ്കിൾ കൃഷ്ണകുമാർ അങ്കിളിനെയാണ് ഞാൻ ആദ്യം വേദിയിലേക്ക് ഇൻവൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അങ്കിൾ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പ്ലീസ് കം ഓൺ സ്റ്റേജ്.
Captures everything I long.
He's going to speak a few words for Ganga and Akshit.
Good evening to all. Today is a very special day for our family because our dear Ganga, my brother's daughter, she's getting married to the brilliant and, according to him, very innocent Akshit. Now, before I start, let me say one thing clearly. This is not just a wedding, this is a merger, an Indo-US joint venture with lifetime validity and non-return policy. How they met? Many of you know their story. Ganga and Akshit met at IIT Madras, and like all great IIT love stories, then Akshit first said hi, then Ganga said hum, and the rest is history. Akshit was Ganga's senior in college, which means he taught her important things, like which canteen is less waiting time, how to survive labs, most importantly, how to fall in love with an IIT senior. The love story upgrade after IIT that took their love story to United States where they are doing their masters. I always say this is a perfect example of modern education. BTech for finding each other, MS for confirming the decision, and now Shadi for lifetime research and partnership. About the couple, Ganga is intelligent, calm, and has magical ability to convince anyone that you have seen right now, She learned things, she's an all-rounder. Truly a match made in heaven. They both settled well in US, which is very good because if they fight, at least the neighbors won't understand Malayalam or Hindi. Family view. As family, we have seen Ganga grow from a cheerful, bright girl to a confident, independent young woman. And today, seeing her smile beside Akshit, we all feel proud and emotional. And Akshit, welcome to our family. You have officially joined a group that believes in love, strong bonds, and ultimate unlimited food. Your membership is permanent. A small serious note, jokes apart, marriage is not just about two people coming together. It is about two families connecting, two dreams joining, and two hearts learning to beat as one. Ganga and Akshit, may you always support each other, share your joys, carry each other's worries, and build a beautiful life wherever you both go. On my behalf of our entire family, I wish you both a lifetime of love, endless laughter, good health, success, and partnership that only gets stronger with time. And may your journey be as beautiful as your love story. Congratulations once again, and wishing you both a wonderful married life.
He's lovely and also very funny. Thank you so much. We all enjoyed it very much. So next, Gangada side of the invite Saji uncle ne aana. Saji uncle evdeyaana? Is he here? Saji uncle, please come on stage. Yes. Saji uncle, ellaru nalloru guide koduthe. You're lucky to have such lovely uncles. They're the best. Yes.
Good evening, everybody. It's my privilege to stand here for this auspicious occasion. for this wonderful evening. I don't want to prolong my speech because it's too late. Anyway, thank you very much, and I wish both of you a happy married life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Saji uncle. Next, Gangeda friend Anit. Is Anit here? Anit is gonna dedicate a few words. Yes. നല്ലൊരു കാര്യം കൊടുത്തു എല്ലാരും.
Yeah, hello everyone. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Anit, and I have the distinct privilege of standing here today as Genga's very close friend. Talking about Genga, she is the talkative, extroverted girl who is damn active and mingles with everyone. So when I was in college, I didn't quite get her. She was always doing extracurricular activities, hapkido, swimming, unpaid chef dance, you name it, she's there. Honestly, I didn't appreciate it then. I thought she was just too much. But when I look back, she was absolutely right. She was building the confident, driven person we see today. And then the fate intervened, and I was unfortunate enough to get her as my roommate. Just kidding. And yeah, I was very privileged to become friends with one of the most famous girl in our college. The girl who was class representative and was known by everyone on the campus. And one of my fondest and perhaps most telling memories of Genga is from those roommate days. I was trying to sleep and you were on the phone chatting loudly with your parents late at night. I remember being so furious, just walked out of the room straight to the next one. And the next day, I got an apology note and a diary milk on my desk. The small act tells one thing about Genga. She's the person who will always reach out. She just gets attached to the people she loves and can do whatever it takes to make them happy. I have never felt lost or out of place when I go out with her, even when we were a bunch of her friends. She brings you into her world and you instantly belong. Actually, you are incredibly lucky to have her. And actually, then Genga, I owe both you an apology. When Genga first told me about your relationship, I scolded her and made her cry. And it was a completely lame reaction from my part, fueled by my own silly protective instincts. I hope you both can forgive me for that moment. I know Genga is stubborn when it comes to certain things, and I'm sure she fights with you, Akshay, for a lot of things. But there is one thing I'm absolutely sure about her. She won't let go of the people she loves. She will fight for you, she will defend you, and she will cherish you forever. Akshita and Genga, I wish you both a lifetime of happiness, full of laughter, and a new adventures. Thank you.
Okay, so next we're moving on. Moving on to Gangeda cousin Sanju. Sanju എവിടെയാണ്? സ്റ്റേജിലേക്ക് ഒന്ന് ഓടി വരൂ സഞ്ജു. എവിടെയാണ് സഞ്ജു? We can't see anyone from here. Okay, Sanju and Rachu. Okay.
Okay, so if I have to say a few words about them, I'll start with this. South meets North, Malu meets Dilliwala, Upper meets Aloo Paratha, and the most explosive combination. Extrovert meets introvert. Today we are all gathered here to witness the union of two very different worlds. Now let's talk about our bride, Genga. If you know her, you know that she can talk to a wall, convince it to open up emotionally, and then still end the conversation with, "We should totally hang out again." She's the type of person who can make friends in queues, because even in the silence, she doesn't let it stay silent for very long. And then there's the groom, Akshay. The calm, the quiet, the peaceful northern breeze. A man who has mastered the art of nodding at least 47 times during a Genga monologue and still manages to look interested. I mean, you deserve, best listener in the history of Malayali weddings for that.
But that's what makes the pairing perfect. Where she starts the conversation and he finishes the snacks. And Ganga Chichi knows like two poses. Every picture in this wedding album will be like, and like this.
That's a good thing.
Himal bro.
So cheers to the happy. That's true. That's also that. Cheers to the happy couple.
You guys are happy married life, Chichi. We love you.
Hello everyone. So it was a surprise. I have to come as an extempore. It was never told from the right side that we have to come and make a speech. Okay, Ganga put it in, but we were not informed. But still, for our kids, for our children, we don't need to, write something. We can always be extempore. And Akshit, I am his father's friend and know Akshit in the school days. So school days, I know what he was doing. In college, what he did was explained by someone. We are not a party to that. I think Naneshji was also not party to that. So we came to know all this, but let me tell you, the family, the friends of Ganga, that we the North Indians, we are very lovable, and Akshit is more so. And mainly, I was just trying to think over the name Ganga. Ganga actually originated from the north. The Ganga river is there. So Ganga, welcome back to the north again. So you are there. And may God bless the couple, and we have all our blessings. We are always with both of you. Whenever you need us, we are there. And let me assure your friends, family, we are always there with the couple, and Ganga is our daughter now. Please. Thank you.
As he mentioned, like I'm someone who has lived both in Delhi and in Kerala, and there is like night and day difference. So of course people may worry how it's gonna work, and the example is right here, how Delhi and Kerala alliance can work right in front of you, because 8.5 years of love story, beautiful love story, they're standing in front of us. So they're the living, breathing proof of how that chemistry can work, because you carry it perfectly.
Using the power of being the groom, I actually took the chance to have the last word. And these are my words. They say it takes a village to raise a child, and today I'm fortunate that a small part of that village is present today to join me in perhaps the most defining event of myself, and for providing me with their blessings. The Sarpanch of this village, my parents, are the literal reason I stand here today. My brother, and they're surrounded by their coterie of ministers, some in person and some in spirit. My nani, my dadi, my mosa mosis, my mana mamis, my chacha chachis, my bua. My brother Pradyut, and an army of cousins in Divyanshu, Lakshay, Yash and Pihu, and family friends who are more family than friends. This entire village here has molded me into the person I am today, and time is the only constraint that prohibits me to individually thank these amazing human beings for all their sacrifice they have made and the virtues they have imparted. So Ganga, all my merits are theirs, and all my flaws are my own. Since life doesn't present many opportunities to thank them individually, I would be remiss to not thank them today for their highly impressionable impact on my life. Next, I'm grateful to Ganga for agreeing to being with me and spending the rest of our lives together. We have spent many years living across different continents and time zones, and this relationship has weathered all the storms solely due to your immeasurable sacrifices, perseverance, and a huge shout out to Ishiri Oda. She has been my rock, which refuses to erode, provide me with the much needed sustenance, both literally and figuratively. It does take a certain special village like Vipin to raise a special person like Ganga. One interaction with Ganga's parents and relatives can tell you where she gets her warmth, humility, and kindness. I actually want to congratulate Ganga's parents and my new set of parents for having created this incredible human being, not only literally, but also molding her into this very beautiful person that she is. I'm forever grateful for such a thing. Finally, I want to thank all of you present here for blessing us with your presence and for your good thoughts. Finally, I want to close off by saying, to basically quote a very eminent personality of today. And his words are, a big thank you for being here.
That was so sweet, and Ganga, good job. You didn't cry during that. Makeup first. Good choice. She didn't cry. I was worried. Full, sentimental. She's just hold on and a very good job. I'm not pushing it. So, Akshat and Ganga, let's all give a round of applause, both of them, and wish all the happiness in the world because they deserve it. You deserve it more than anything in the world. So thank you so much. Thank you. Yes. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾക്കിനി ഒരു ഡാൻസ് ഉണ്ട്, അതുപോലെ അവർ വളരെ സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ട് കൊറിയോഗ്രാഫ് ചെയ്ത ഒരു ഡാൻസ് ആണ്. സോ ഇൻ 5 minutes വിൽ മൂവ് ഓൺ ടു ദാറ്റ് ഡാൻസ് പെർഫോമൻസ്. സോ കെനിയ.
जिसे ढूंढता हूँ मैं हर गली जो कभी मिली मुझे है नहीं, मुझे जिसके प्यार पर हो यकीन वो लड़की है कहाँ। जिसे सिर्फ मुझसे ही प्यार हो, जो ये कहने को भी तैयार हो, सुनो तुम ही मेरे दिलदार हो, वो लड़की है कहाँ।
तुम्हारे ख्वाब में है बसी वो हसीन मूर्ति प्यार
അങ്ങനെയൊന്നുമില്ല, എല്ലാം ചെയ്യും. ഇവിടെ ഹിസ് ഫാമിലി ഫ്രണ്ട്, ഐ തിങ്ക് മിസ്റ്റർ ജാവേദ് said, like, Ganga knows everything. She know how to dance, she know how to sing, she knows everything. Right? ഒന്ന് കൈയടിച്ച എല്ലാരും. എങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു? ഫാമിലി കസിൻസ് എല്ലാരും ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ പെർഫോമൻസ് ആയിരുന്നു. Yes. Superb. Then again half of that. Okay, അപ്പോൾ പാട്ട് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇവർ ഈ പേപ്പറിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്നിട്ട് ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കണം. എന്നിട്ട് നമ്മൾ പാട്ട് പോസ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ പേപ്പർ കയ്യിലെടുക്കുക, പകുതിയിൽ ഫോൾഡ് ചെയ്യുക, താഴെ വെക്കുക, അതിന്റെ ഉള്ളിൽ നിന്ന് തന്നെ ഡാൻസ് കളിക്കണം. പേപ്പറിന്റെ പുറത്ത് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിങ്ങൾ ഔട്ട് ആവും. യെസ്, അവിടെ റെഡിയാണോ? യെസ്, റെഡി ആണെങ്കിൽ give me a thumbs up if you're ready. If you're ready, give me a thumbs up. Yes. Okay. Okay, dance, come on. Show us your move. Woo, 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 woo. Yes, now pick up the paper, fold it in half and put it back down. Come on, people, dance. Woo! Okay, next round. It's gonna get difficult now. Pick it up, fold it. Okay, let's have this. Okay, let's have the music. Come on. Woo, woo, woo. Dance, dance. Okay, it gets difficult now. Pick it up, fold it in half, put it back down. ഈ റൗണ്ടിൽ നമ്മൾ കുറച്ചുപേരെ എലിമിനേറ്റ് ചെയ്യും. We're going to eliminate some people in this round. Akshit is going to do how it is to be done. Woo! Music, please. Music, music. Sorry to say, you two are eliminated from the game. Position, okay? Okay? Yes, when the music starts, okay? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Let's go. Start. This is beaten out. One leg only.
ലഹരിയിലെങ്ങോ കുടമുല്ലപ്പൂ വിരിഞ്ഞു, അതിലായിരമാശകളാലൊരു പൊൻവല നെയ്യും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ അലരേ തേൻ വണ്ടു കുഴല് തന്തനത്തനം പാടി വാ പട്ടക്ക് തുഴഞ്ഞ് പട്ടക മടിച്ച് പാണ്ടിയ പട കേറി വാ അടട മീശ കൗണ്ടറേ മുരശ് മുട്ടി പാടടേ തായ്മൊഴിയിൽ താളമേള മംഗളം അടട മീശ കൗണ്ടറേ മുരശ് മുട്ടി പാടടേ തായ്മൊഴിയിൽ താളമേള മംഗളം തങ്കമാന സംഘകാല തമിഴ് പാടി തേരിലേറി താളം തുള്ളാൻ അടി അമ്മാടിയേ അടിയെ പോവുമേ ഹര ഹരോ ഹരാ വാവാച്ചുന്തരിയേ മുത്താമുന്തിരിയേ വാവാച്ചുന്തരിയേ മുത്താമുന്തിരിയേ തകില് പൊകില് കുരവ കുഴല് തന്തനത്തനം പാടി വാ സട്ടക്ക് പട്ടക്ക് തുഴഞ്ഞ് പട്ടക മടിച്ച് പാണ്ടിയ പട കേറി വാ
बनघट पे आके सैया